Hello, how is everyone? I've been chilling for the past few weeks because I've been waiting for this one to dry. This is what I'm going to show you in our next tutorial, but the drying is taking quite some time. So in the meanwhile, I went yarn shopping to get myself prepared for the next project. I've got a number of things I've been planning to knit and crochet in the future. The very first thing I want to make is this heart print pattern. If you've seen Jennifer's Body, you might remember Megan Fox in this scene. I also found this one that's quite similar. This is probably the one I'm gonna end up using. This is such a gorgeous and perfect pattern. It'll be quite easy to work since I'll only need to work between two colors. I also have the perfect stitch for it. It's called waistcoat stitch. I recently made a crochet bag using this stitch. This stitch is really perfect for color work. It achieves this knit look, but we're only using single crochets to make it. The next thing I really want to make is a sweater or maybe a cardigan with cables. You can achieve cables with crochet, but I really want to do it in knitting. Again, this is something I've never done before. I've saved so many cable patterns, as you can see. I'm liking this one. This is what I saw some time ago in a clothing store. I think it's from Glass Ons, which is a New Zealand brand. I saw this one at the store and I was feeling so inspired. I especially like this area here where the texture is a bit different from the rest. Just makes it less dull and less boring than just having purl stitches all over the place. I also want to freehand a knit beanie. Just a simple structure, which is making a rectangle and then just close it up at the top. But I want to make this one reversible using the double knit technique. So I'll use two colors, each side with a different color. And I'm really excited for this one because this one's going to be knitted. That means it's going to be much stretchier than my other crochet beanies. The next thing I want to make is this crochet market bag or French market bag. I've seen these bags in stores like Kmart. I was so tempted to get one, but you get it once you know how to knit or crochet. You just stop buying anything that is knitted or crocheted. For this bag, I need to use strong materials, so not anything stretchy. I think some kinds of cotton is good for it, but I feel more comfortable with nylon or some kind of strong rope. The next thing is still cable knitting, but this one has a very specific look. This is lattice cable stitch. I love this look. It has this beautiful woven kind of texture. It's a very beautiful design. I've made a swatch on this one before. It's honestly not very easy. This is not a beginner-friendly stitch. I'm thinking a sweater on this one. Just a very simple boxy shaped one. Besides that, I also want to make a knitted garment with this kind of texture. This is created by working a group of knit stitches and then a group of purl stitches. But since it's a checkered kind of pattern, I also don't plan to do any shaping. Everything's just gonna be straight lines. I'm also thinking to expand my area and just try something different, something completely new to me, something I've never done before. And then I happened to see this one on sale. This is a little punch needle kit. So I've never done punch needle before. I don't even know how it works, but it was on sale. It was only like 10 bucks. So I was like, this is the perfect chance for me to give it a whirl. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing me do it. But yes, that is pretty much all I want to make so far. Our next video is coming soon, and hopefully the cardigan will get completely dry very soon so I can take it outside and do some photo shoot. So let me know if you like any of my future projects, and also if you have some more that you want to see me make, drop it in the comment. As long as it's not a specific design from other crocheters or knitters, so as long as it's not that, leave it in the comment if you'd like to see a tutorial or a guide on a design. Well, I hope you guys have a lovely one. See you very soon.